Hi everyone. Today we will see the pharmaceutical organic chemistry, the chapter number 3, that is unit 3, as per the SPPU and PCI syllabus, that is alcohol and its uses. So I am going to explain you all the types of alcohol with the uses, and that will be very much helpful for your examinations, for your university examination. Okay, let's get started. Hi everyone, today I am going to discuss with you alcohol and its uses, right? So alcohol we are going to study as per the pharmaceutical organic chemistry syllabus. We have this structure and uses of ethyl alcohol, methyl alcohol, chlorobutanol, cetostearyl alcohol, benzyl alcohol, glycerol and propylene glycol. Okay, so these eight alcohols, there are 8 different type of alcohols you have for the study. Okay, so let's get started with the structure and uses. We will see the structure of molecule as well as we will see the compound uses. Okay, so yeah, first that is the ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol, you know the structure, that is CH3CH2OH. So in exam you have to write in the same way, that is CH3CH2OH, or you can write in this second way also. Okay, the first use of ethyl alcohol is it is colorless, volatile and inflammable liquid, widely used as a solvent in pharma industry. It is widely used solvent in pharma industries, in labs, for cleaning purposes, for many things. So in exam you can write those points, you will get the out of marks. It is a good antiseptic for the skin. It is prepared by the fermentation of sugars, by yeast or via petrochemical processes. It is the most common antibacterial hand sanitizer. You know, nowadays from last 2 years in pandemic, we are using different sanitizers, right, which contain ethyl alcohol, and that will be very much helpful for the killing the bacteria. Ethyl alcohol can be safely used as a solvent. Alcohol is commonly used in a medical field as an antiseptic as well as an disinfectant. Antiseptic means it can kill the live-lived microorganism, and disinfectant means it is used for cleaning purpose, and that is the main difference. Is antiseptic you can use for the skin or living tissue, and disinfectant you can use for the floors cleaning and floors wiping as well. Here in this diagram you can see this is the ethanol molecule which is drawn in the ball and stick model, and here you can see the first, it is also used in different type of alcoholic drinks, that is beer, whiskey, so all those vodka. It contains little bit of percentage of ethyl alcohol, right? If ethanol is oxidized, it will get converted into ethanoic acid for preserving food and making esters. Okay, it is also used for the preservation purpose. Okay, so you can write in exam, this ethanol can be used for the as a preservative if it will get oxidized and get converted into ethanoic acid. The third thing that is very much important here, you can see ethanol also used for the fuel for vehicles. Okay, in most of the countries it is also used for the vehicles. Then the last you can see here, that is used for the paints, varnishes, perfumes. In that also it is added, and we can use for the we can use for the painting and all, and we can keep that content of paintings for a long time. Okay, so that is all about the ethanol. Now next is methanol. I hope many of you are familiar with the methanol, that is CH3OH. The structure CH3OH. You can write likewise. Then next we will see what is methanol and what are the uses of methanol. See, so I will go with the first point, that is it is a colorless, volatile and inflammable laboratory solvents, unfit for consumption. This is not for consumption. This is not for consumption purpose, means you cannot drink or you cannot use this for the drinking purpose. It is used for the laboratories, it is used for the experiments, It is the simplest alcohol. Yes, that is the small, or what we can say, the lower branch of alcohol or lower alcohol in the alcohol series. Then it is also used as a solvent in chemical reaction. Yes, it is used in the chemical reaction, many chemical reaction, like because methanol, that is CH3OH. So methanol contains CH3. So this methyl is very important group. For methylation of many compound we can use methyl alcohol. It is also used to producing a biodiesel. Nowadays, you have heard about the biodiesel, that is everyone is going green and all those things. So methanol is very much helpful for the production of biodiesel. Here I have put one diagram, what we can say, like a tree diagram, or the different uses of methanol. So first is methanol also used as a natural gas. Methanol is also used from methanol it is used in municipal waste, for the coal and heavy hydrocarbon clarification. It is used for the biodiesel. It is used for the chemical reactions. Methanol also is the presence in the petrochemicals compound like gasoline, diesel, petrol. It is also used as a neat alcohol fuel. So all those things which is prepared from the methanol, and in the waste management methanol can be prepared. So methanol has various uses, and yes, that is for your examination, and you can write in this way also, so you will get a full marks. Then third compound in alcohol unit, that is a chlorobutanol. You can see here, this is the structure CCl3ClCl, that is CCl3, like a trichloro. Second, on this second position, this is the first and this is the second. On second position there are two methyl groups, CH3 and OH. So trichloro 2-methyl propanol. Okay, so 2-propanol, that is the chlorobutanol. So we'll see the uses. Chlorobutanol, it is also white volatile solid with menthol like odor. Yes, so chlorobutanol also it is having a menthol like odor. You know menthol, right? So the smell is same like a menthol. It has antibacterial and antifungal property. So the same uses, like a menthol is having the same property. So chlorobutanol is also having the same, that is antibacterial and antifungal properties. Then at a concentration of 0.5%, it is used as a preservative in a biological fluids. So this is also used in the biological fluids for the preservation, because it will help to keep that whatever cells, tissue for a long time. It won't die. Chlorobutanol has been used in anesthesia and euthanasia of invertebrates and fishes. So it is used for the anesthesia purpose also. So it will relax the muscle, and doctor can do the operations and everything. Okay, some more uses I have added here. You can see, that is chlorobutanol is a medicine that is used for the treatment of mild pain on skin, scratches, grazes, dental plaque formation, gingivitis, oral hygiene. So chlorobutanol, if you want to check, you can check on your on a toothpaste. You can check there. If you will get this chlorobutanol on your that products. So it is also used in the for the oral hygiene purpose. For the, if you have mild pain on skin, then also you can use the chlorobutanol. The next is cytosteril alcohol. This is the structure of cytosteril alcohol. You can see here CH3, CH2, CH2OH. Okay, so this CH2 group is for for the number of times it came. So this is the structure of cytosteril alcohol. Now we'll jump to the uses. Here the cytosteril alcohol function as an emulsion stabilizer. It is used for the emulsion stabilizer, because you have heard emulsions, like when we are producing or we are preparing emulsion in lab, that time it can break. So you need a emulsifiers that will stabilize the emulsion. So a cytosteril alcohol also act as a emulsion stabilizer. Then opacifying agent, it is also act as a opacifying agent. It is also act as a surfactant known as a foam booster. It is helpful for the viscosity increasing agent. If you want to increase the viscosity of any formulation, you can add this cetosterol alcohol. It is often used in creams and lotion. So mostly, we on the daily basis we'll apply body lotions, Nivea body lotion, Vaseline body lotion, many examples are there. So you have seen the consistency and thickness of those lotions. So in those lotions also it can be cetosterol alcohol is there. You can read the labels if you want. You can read the labels on the Nivea body lotion or any which you are using nowadays. It is also called as a fatty alcohol. It is also used in hair condition and other hair product. It is also used has been used in the hair condition and other hair products as well. Now we'll go to the next, that is benzyl alcohol. This is the structure you can see here. If you want to write it down, you can write it down. Benzyl alcohol, this is the benzyl ring and CH2OH. This is the whole structure of benzyl alcohol. Sorry. Benzyl alcohol is used as a bacteriostatic preservative. You also maybe you have heard about this benzyl alcohol mostly used for a preservative because it acts as a bacteriostatic. Bacteriostatic means it prevents the growth of microorganism. Okay, it helps to prevent the growth of microorganism in any formulation and many things, syrup, then cough syrups, in all those things. At a low concentration in intravenous medication. It is also used in cosmetics. It is also used in the topical drugs. Okay, so those are the uses of the benzyl alcohol. Mostly, for exam point of view, you remember this. It is having antibacterial property in the form of its aliphatic esters. Okay, benzyl alcohol is mostly in the form of its aliphatic ester. Benzyl alcohol also used in a perfumery and flavoring industry. See, benzyl alcohol, if whatever perfume you are using, you can check the labels on it and you will find it out. This is also like benzyl alcohol also present in your perfumery and flavoring industry in flavors. It is also used as a preservative in cosmetics and topical drugs. You can use this as a cosmetics and in a topical drugs also. Now we are moving to the next one, that is a glycerol. So it is also known as a glycerin. Maybe you are aware about this. Glycerol also known as glycerin, and in which 3 OH are there, 1, 2 and 3. This is the structure of glycerol, CH2OH, CH2OH, CH2OH. Okay, if you want you can write it down. Then next, the properties, it is a colorless, odorless, it is like having a sweet taste in the food industry. It is also used as a humectant in pharmaceutical formulations. So yes, mostly remember glycerol or glycerin, it is used as a humectant. Okay. Yeah, then last one, like uses in food industry, in pharmaceutical industry. It is also used as a thickening agent in liquors. You can write it down that. Then last one is propylene glycol and its uses. Okay, see, propylene glycol is a synthetic liquid substance that absorbs water, and in the same way propylene glycol also used in the chemical, like in chemical reactions or in a chemical industries, then food industries, in pharmaceutical industries. And the most important use of propylene glycol I am going to read now. Propylene glycol is used by the chemical, food and pharmaceutical industry as an antifreeze when leakage might lead to contact with food. So mostly it is used as an anti-freezing agent, okay, which will prevent the leakage when it comes or contact with the food. Yeah, so that's all about the propylene glycol. Mostly it is used as a general solvent which you will find in your labs. Whenever you can go to lab, check the solvent. Mostly in the solvent cabin or solvent rack you will find. It is very common solvent and humectant in pharmaceuticals. Yeah, so last I just want to say thank you very much for listening, and please comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.